Oval design and develop state-of-the-art auto-injectors, which are much better for people and will provide pharmaceutical companies with a wider range of drug options. One of the essential steps was for us to design the equipment that would seal the foil over and weld it onto the cyclic olefin primary drug container. So one other aspect of the manufacturing process is to have an inline check that would test every component to make sure that the filled drug containers weren't leaking. And so we'll be able to test 100% of our primary drug containers, and if any of them leak, they'll be rejected and will never get to a patient. We're going to take 2 products to market. One with our subcutaneous platform. We're developing sumatriptan, which is a treatment for migraine and cluster headaches. We will take that process all the way through to regulatory approval, and then we'll do probably a license deal with a pharma company who will market that for us. And we have a second product, which is epinephrine. So patients who have suffer very badly from bee stings or food allergies can go into anaphylactic shock. And at that point, they have to have an injection of adrenaline. The chemical name of adrenaline is epinephrine. These devices have to be carried with the patient all the time, and we've developed a very small device which we're going to take through to regulatory approval. We have signed a contract with Solize. They're a Japanese company that does rapid prototypes. We're in discussions at the moment with a major manufacturing company, but we have been to meet with the MHRA, which is the Medicines and Health Regulatory Agencies in the UK. And we were told that they were very happy with the concept of our device, and they could see that it was going to be a significant step forward in improving patient safety. Next year we have quite a lot planned. We have a bioequivalent study for sumatriptan, and we're also taking our epinephrine product from proof of concept through to a prototype that we could then do a clinical study. Later on this year, we intend to close an £8.5 million round. We are looking at our resource requirements, and we will be employing several new people over the next 12 months and expanding the team. We may even need to expand in terms of this facility. We're looking at whether the facility we have here is going to be sufficient to last us. It will probably be sufficient for next year, but we may need to have a bigger laboratory for the year after.